Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve this interesting algebraic problem, and the problem here is 1 over m plus 4 over n, that is equal to 1 over 12. So here we'll have to find the value of m and n, and these are m and n are natural number with n is odd. So here in the question they have mentioned that the value of n will be any odd number. So let's start the video. So friends, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to like the video. Now for solution of this problem, we'll take LCM of the denominator, that will be m multiplied n, and here will be n, and for m that is equal to 1 over 12. Now we'll cross multiply and we'll simplify it. It will be 12 times n plus 12 for 48 m, that is equal to mn. Now we'll rearrange the equations. We'll take all the values to the right hand side, and it will be mn minus 12n minus 48m, that is equal to 0. Here we have taken the values in the left hand side to the right hand side, so these values become negative. So now we'll take common between these two. The common between these two is n, so we'll take n common, and the remaining is m minus 12. Now from this expressions minus 48 minus 48m, here we'll take 48 common and we'll try to make a factor in m minus 12. For that we'll have to multiply 48 and 12. Minus 48 multiplied by minus 12, that is equal to 12 8s are 96, here 6, remaining 9, 12 4s are 48, and 9 57. Now the multiplication of 48 and 12 is 576, so we'll add 576 in the left hand side. Therefore we'll have to also add 576 in the right hand side. Minus 48 will take common, and it will be m minus 12. In the right hand side we have added 576 in the left hand side, so in the right hand side we'll also add 576. Now our equation completes. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now we'll take common m minus 12, and in another bracket there will be n minus 48, that is equal to 576. So here in the question they have mentioned the value of n is odd number. We'll factorize 576 in two terms, and the factor of it are 9 and 64. So here we can say that 576 is divisible by 9, which is a odd number, and 9 is the multiplication of 3, which is also an odd number, and we have another number, that is 1. 1 is also divisible by 576. So here we have calculated three values, that is 9, 3 and 1, which is divisible by 576. Here in the question they have mentioned the value of m. The value of m and n are any natural number, and for making this natural number, these two terms should be positive. These two terms will be positive. Now we'll erase this. Now here after simplifications we have got two factors. These are m minus 12 and another is n minus 48. For the value of n as odd number, the whole term value should be in odd also. This term value will be in odd only, and for making this term as 576 multiply, this term should be in even number. This term will be in even number. Now here we have only three odd factors of 576. These are 1, 3 and 9. So the value of this term n minus 48 will be 1, 3 and 9, which will satisfy this equation. Now here for solving we'll make the table, that is n minus 48, m minus 12, and then we'll find the value of n and m. Now we'll make a tabular form. Now for calculating the value of n and m, we'll put the value of this factor as 1. Then the value of m minus 48, the value of m minus 48 term will be 576 divided by 1, that is 576. If we put the value term n minus 48, that is equal to 1, then the value of n will be 49. The value of n will be 49, and the term m minus 12, that is equal to 576. Then the value of m will be 12 plus 576 will be 588. Then here the value of m will be 588. The next term value of n minus 48 will be 3. We'll take as 3. So we'll take here 3. Then it is equal to 3. Then the value of n will be 48 plus 3, that is 51.
And if we'll divide 576 will divide by 3, then it will be 5 ones are 5, remaining 2, 27, 9 and 2, 192. So the value of m minus 12 will be 192. Then the value of m will be 192 plus 12, that is 204. So the value of m will be 204, and the term m minus 12, that is 192. Now the next value we have calculated, the term is 9, so we'll put 9, and this term value will be 64. So 64, m minus 12 is 64. Then the value of n will be, the value of n minus 48 is equal to 9. 48 plus 9, that is 57. And here m minus 12 is 64. m minus 12 is 64. So the value of m will be 12 plus 64, that will be 76. So friend, likewise we have calculated the value of n and m. These are the values of m and n. Hope the method of calculation of m and n is clear to you. And if you like the method, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.